Welcome to PJ Cavier YouTube channel. Today we discuss about the topic the square number. Okay. Before going to the topic, I will give some the picture. We have to identify the which game it is in this picture. Okay. What is the game name? It is the snake and ladder game. And I will show the another picture. What is this? The picture, it is a chess game. Okay, we are all playing in our free time. Is it right? In this, using these two picture, we have to identify the mathematics term. Okay, I will show. In this snake and ladder game, having the 10 rows and 10 columns are there. Okay. In this chess game, having 8 rows and 8 columns are there. Okay. Now we have to the topic, the square number. Before going to the square number, I will give the number 1 to 9. Okay. Using the each number exactly 1. Okay. We have to identify the rows and column. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, using this number, we have to arranging the 3 cross 3. 3 cross 3 square number. Okay, without repeating the number, we have to arranging the 1 to 9, 3 cross 3 square number. Okay, now going to the topic. What is the square number? The square number is the number you get when you multiply an integer by itself. Multiply the integer by itself. Take the example. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So 9 is the square number of 3. Take another example. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 16 is a square number of 4. Okay. Now we have to moving the properties of code. There are so many properties are there, but in this class we have to discuss only 4 properties. Before going to the topic, we have to knowing the concept, the square number, the perfect square number. The 1 square means what? 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 2 square means 2 into 2 is equal to the 4. Is it right? Like 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square is equal to 16, 5 square is equal to 25, 6 square is equal to 36, 7 square is equal to 49, 8 square is equal to 64, 9 square is equal to 81, 10 square is equal to 100. Like we have to the multiply the integer itself. Okay, next we move on to the properties 1. What is the property 1 says? All the square have any one of these digits 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 in this unit place. Unit place means what? I will take example 10. 10. The 10 having the two numbers. You see? The 0. In this 0 place is unit place. This is the unit place. The 1 place is 10th place. This is a 10 place. The 0 is the unit place. We have to identify the unit and the place. What is the property 1 says? All the square having any one of these digits 0, 4, 5, 6 or 9 in their unit place. Okay. Next we move on to the second properties. What is the second property? Says the number that ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8 is cannot be perfect square. Okay. Suppose the unit place, the perfect square having end with only 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 in this unit place is it's a square number, but the unit place having 3, 2, 7, 8 is cannot be a perfect square. Are you understand? Next we move on to the properties 3. The property 3 says there is a two conditions are there. What is the first condition? When a number ends with the 0, it is square is end with double 0. Take one example. I take 10 is equal to the square is 100. The square is 100. When a number ends with the 0, its square end with double 0. Okay, you see this, the 10 is single 0, the square is it's the end of the double 0. Are you understand? Take the what is the second condition? If a number end with the odd number of the 0, then it is not a perfect square. Take example 30 square is 900. The 0 end with the what is that ends with the double 0, but there is a second condition is there. What is this? If a number end with odd number is what? 3 is the odd number. Yes, 3 is the odd number. That is not a perfect square. Okay. Next we move on to the condition, the properties of 4. What is the properties 4 says? The square having even number is always even and of odd number will be odd. Give the example. The 10 square is equal to 100. The 10 is the even number. Okay. The even number gives the always even number. Suppose take the odd number example. 5 square is equal to 25. 5 is the odd number and also the square number 25 is odd number. The property, what is the property 4 says? The square of the even number is always even and odd number will be odd. Okay, these are the 5 properties we have to learn using the perfect square number. Okay, I hope you are all understand this 4 property and what is the square. Okay, next class we will meet you. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and like, share this video your friends. Okay, follow my YouTube channel and also the Instagram. Okay, thank you one and all.